And today what I have for you is this little pole mounted light right here. This is a solar powered, solar rechargeable pole light or street light that you can use in your garden, in your yard, front yard, backyard, on your deck, anywhere you want to. It is made out of all metal construction. It actually has solar panels on all four sides, so it will get sunlight no matter where you mount it. The pole's metal. It has two mounting options. You have a stake and a base. It's very decorative. It's extremely sturdy. It's going to be there for quite a while. And just a nice little light. But now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you how to put this together and install it. And then we're going to come back later tonight and see how well it works. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing and the assembly of this street light or pole light, whatever you want to call it. First thing you're going to see is a remote control and some hardware. Then you're going to have your pole sections. You do have a yardstick, which is very nice. Here is the actual light itself. Very nice, solid metal, quite heavy, which is good. If heavy translates into quality, it does have a real, pretty sure that's glass. All right, so this is everything that you're going to get in the box. You have a remote control. You have the top decoration, little screw-on piece right here. You have some mounting hardware as well. You're going to have 4 poles that just screw together, and then you have a base that sticks in the ground, but then you also have a base that you can mount and screw to the ground. Like if you have a wooden deck, or if you want to put anchors in concrete, you can. So you have a nice solid base here. And then you have the actual light itself. You can see you have 4 panels on top. You have these nice wavy lenses, which is going to give you a cool pattern. And this thing is made out of all steel. It's very heavy, very robust. So you're going to get a light that's going to last a long time. No plastic on this thing. And all you have to do to assemble it is we're going to take this piece right here, which is what goes on top. Just screw this on just like so. And if you wanted to, you could even treat this as a hanging light, because if you took this bottom piece off, you could just hang it and light would come out the bottom and the sides. I don't know if it's meant to be used that way, but you could. And we got the poles here. This does have a nice hammered finish paint job on it, so it's going to be nice durable paint. And all you have to do to assemble is you screw the pipe sections together. Just like so. We're going to be using the little stake, so we're just going to screw the stake on the bottom. Then for the last piece, we just have to actually screw it on to the light itself. And just like that, our light is assembled. Now let's go stake it somewhere. Alright, so you can see the light. It's quite nice. And what we're going to do to install it is just going to shove it into the ground, just like so. You can see it's about almost 5 feet tall, about 4 feet 8 inches, and very easy to put together. Looks very nice, but let's come back tonight and see how well it works. All right, so here we are. It is very dark. There's just a few little lights on, and right in front of us is a little post light. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and bam, check that out. Actually a pleasing little light. Very, very cool. Now I'm going to show you the remote up close real quick. Up here you have your on button, off button, white light, yellow light, auto, meaning comes off and on its own for dusk to dawn. You have white and yellow. You have RGB mode, then you have a 5-hour and an 8-hour timer. So we're going to go ahead and try all these out. Now that's the white. That's the yellow. Just kind of gives it more of a warm feel. Looking at my camera, it's a little more yellow than what you actually see. I'm guessing the white balance corrected on my camera. This is going to be a combo of white and yellow.
So you have white and yellow, yellow, and just white. I'm going to go ahead and put it in auto mode, so it's going to blink to let me know it's in auto mode. And then we're going to try the RGB mode. And you can see it's just slowly rolling through different colors. So that'd be a great little party light or accent light. I'm going to hit it again. Now it's kind of like a strobe effect. Hit the RGB button again. Now we have a solid red, solid blue, green, purple, yellow, light blue, white. Then it goes back to the rolling mode. So very, very cool. So overall, it's a nice little light. Like I said, it stands about 4.5 to 5 feet tall. Very easy to assemble, very durable, all metal construction. It looks nice. It would be perfect for pathways and gardens. And I think you'll be quite happy with this light. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.